Hi, kindergartners. Let's practice the number 13 and 14 today.
How can you use objects to show 13 and 14 as 10 ones and some more ones?
Hello! My friend Rafferty did me a big favor today. Do you see these acorns? Well, Rafferty found acorns for my collection. So how many acorns do you think he found?
It's hard to count when they're all in a big pile, huh?
Click the pile of acorns and we'll spread them out. They'll be easier to count that way. Nice work! Now we can count the acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's see. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Hey, there are 10 acorns and then 3 more acorns. I don't know how many that is, but I'm sure it's a lot of acorns. So, do you know how many acorns Rafferty found? I think we need to learn another number. Let's see what we can find out.
Marcel and Garrett went to the orchard to pick apples. Marcel picked 13 boxes of apples. Garrett picked one more box than Marcel. Let's use cubes to show how many boxes of apples Marcel and Garrett picked. We'll use 13 cubes to show Marcel's boxes. Let's start by filling this 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 frame is full. That means there are 10 cubes in the 10 frame. We need to show 13, so let's add more cubes and keep counting. 11, 12, 13. There are 10 cubes in the 10 frame. And 1, 2, 3 more cubes. So 10 ones and 3 ones is 13. Garrett picked one more box than Marcel. Click to place one more cube below the 10 frame. Now let's count to see how many boxes Garrett picked. The 10 frame is full, so we can count from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Garrett picked 14 boxes. 14 is 10 ones and 4 more ones.
So if I were to write an addition sentence, it would say 10 plus 4 equals 14.
Let's use cubes to show the number 13. Click to move a cube into the 10 frame. Great! Now click to move another cube into the 10 frame. Good! Now drag 8 more cubes into the 10 frame until you fill the 10 frame. Then check your work.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our 10 frame is full.
Good job! The 10 frame is full. There are now 10 cubes in the 10 frame. The cubes in the 10 frame show 10. You still need 3 more cubes. Drag 3 more cubes below the 10 frame. Then check your work.
1, 2, 3.
Good job! You put 3 cubes under the 10 frame. You showed the number 13 with 10 ones and 3 more ones.
So the addition sentence for this number would be 10 plus 3 equals 13.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer. Now try your homework on your own with
The first one says, count the number of lemons. So I'll make it a little bit bigger for you. Go ahead and count all of the lemons on the screen. Did you count 14 lemons? That's how many I counted. 14 is a 1 and a 4. Let's go back up and count those lemons together before we check our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. Let's check our answer.
Excellent!
Yay. Now it asks to count and enter how many counters. So, touch and count those red counters. Good job. How many counters did you count this time? Did you get 14 again? Good job. 14. Let's check our answer.
Good job!
How many counters are in the first model? So look at that first 10 frame. How many counters do we see? 10. And how many do we see in the second model? A group of 4. So I'm going to type 10 and 4.
Well done!
We have a group of 10 and a group of 4. How many does that make all together? That's right, it makes the number 14. Count. How many circles are there? So go ahead and touch those blue circles and count them. Did you count 13 circles? Here are my choices. I see A is 14, B is 11, and C is 13. So I'm going to pick C. Let's check.
Great work!
Yay! This one says, Maria makes a bracelet with these beads. How many beads does Maria use? So touch and count those beads. When I counted, I saw that Maria used 13 beads to make her bracelet. My choices at the bottom are A is 12, B is 13, C is 14. We counted 13, so I'm going to choose B. Let's check our answer.
You did it!
Good job. It says, you have 14 flowers. You put 10 flowers in a group. So how many extra flowers did we see? There was 10, and then there were 4 extras. Now we have to pick the addition sentence that matches our picture. So when I look at that picture, I see a group of 10 and a group of 4. Let's listen and see if we can figure out which one matches.
14 is equal to 10 plus 5.
I don't see a group of 10 and 5 more. Let's try B.
14 is equal to 10 plus 3.
that doesn't match the picture either. There is a group of 10, but there are not 3 underneath. Let's try C.
14 is equal to 10 plus 4.
There we go. I see a group of 10, and I see a group of 4 that makes 14. Let's check.
You did it!
Good job. Imagine filled 10 frames and counters are used to show 13 and 12. Tell how you know which is more without counting all the counters. So, the first sentence for A says, I can see that 13 is 1 more than 12. And B says, I can see that 13 is 1 less than 12. Well, when I think of 12, I think of a group of 10 and 2 more. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 more. 2 is bigger than 3, so that tells me that 13 can't be less than 12. It has to be more than 12. So I'm going to pick A that says, I can see that 13 is 1 more than 12. Let's check.
You did it!
Good job. Rafferty finds lots of acorns. The acorns make a group of 10 and another group of 3. How many acorns are there? Our choices are 13 and 14. A group of 10 and 3 more would make, that's right, 13. Let's check our answer.
Awesome!
Good job. And we finished our personal math trainer.
The personal math
So
trainer.
now let's go back to Scout.
Thanks for helping me count the acorns. See you soon!